Have you ever felt the earth shake beneath your feet? Globe showing Europe, Africa. What if I told you that scientists are using jelly and lasers to predict the next big quake? In an innovative experiment, researchers create small-scale earthquakes with everyday jelly, simulating seismic waves and monitoring their paths with laser technology. This quirky method helps scientists understand fault lines better, potentially giving us earlier warnings for major quakes. Imagine predicting earthquakes with dessert. Spoon, want to see more fascinating breakthroughs like this? Hit subscribe and discover the hidden wonders of science. Bell.